Tired of manually transferring data between apps? I'm going to show you how to supercharge your productivity by connecting Zapier and Google Sheets in just a few easy steps. First, log into your Zapier account. If you don't have one, sign up for free then. Click on the Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. Now, choose Google Sheets. It's your trigger app. This tells Zapier what event in Google Sheets will kick off your automation. Select your trigger event. For example, let's choose New Spreadsheet Row. This means every time a new row is added to your Google Sheet, Zapier will trigger your automation. Next, connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier. You'll be prompted to grant Zapier permission to access your Google Sheets. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Choose the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want Zapier to monitor. Double-check that you've selected the correct ones. Now, test your trigger. Zapier will look for recent data in your selected spreadsheet. This ensures everything is set up correctly. Next, choose Google Sheets again, but this time as your action app. This tells Zapier what you want to do in Google Sheets when the trigger occurs. Choose your action event. In this example, let's select Create Spreadsheet Row. This allows Zapier to add a new row on a different sheet. Connect your Google Sheets account once again and select the destination spreadsheet and worksheet where you want to add the new row. Map the data fields from your trigger spreadsheet to the corresponding columns in your destination spreadsheet. This tells Zapier which information goes where. Time for the grand finale. Test your action. Zapier will send a test row to your destination spreadsheet to ensure everything is mapped correctly. Finally, turn on your Zap. Your automation is now live. Sit back, relax, and watch the magic happen.